Welcome to our channel, and we are going to show you the unboxing of our set of bedroom lamps. I'm just putting it in our living room for now, but we are going to unbox the second one, and it's called, Wixie? The Luvkczc from Amazon.
Yeah.
So we've just removed the bedside lamps from a very tiny Amazon box. And we've noticed that this is kind of cool the way that they've packaged this. And on either side of the styrofoam is one of the lamps. So we're just going to pull it out. Comes with the light bulbs for you as well. Actually, it came with 2 Allen keys, which will show you where to place. And then this is for the shade. Can I get you to remove that with the skizzas? Sorry for the squeakiness. Oh no, for the other ones, we need ones because they're kind of packaged like a tube. Oh, let's see. I need help with this one to pull it out. The styrofoam kind of just slides. And that's the base. So we're just going to zippity zip all the plastic off of this, but it's well protected. We noticed that they did have to put their caution about wattage, but they placed it right on the actual lamp where it would be seen. So we're just removing it temporarily for now, and we're going to place it at the bottom or in an inconspicuous area. So here I'm just going to carefully, without cutting the wires, remove the plastic sleeves. Off of the lamp. It's kind of a linen finish for the shade, but cool concept. I'm also going to remove this after. It's another sticker for the turn on and off switch. Very easy assembly. We're just going to take this part of the arm and you're going to thread it carefully around the bottom one. You can even do it from the top here. And then you're going to turn it. There we go. And then you're going to take the Allen key that's been provided.
They give you 2 keys.
Yeah, they give you 2 keys. Plate in your little plugs. So I'll put that in as well. I guess this goes in here. Sorry, this goes in here. My mistake. I'm tired already. And this is just ensuring that it's so tiny, I feel like whispering about it. There we go. So it doesn't move the arm. And then the shade's kind of cool. Take a look at this. So it comes with one edge that is Velcro, but in order to put the framing in, it just snaps into place. That way it was so easy to ship this item. So you have the top portion, ring, and it doesn't matter which side you're putting it on.
And we ordered this a couple of days ago.
Like 2 days ago. Just once you get the one click in, the rest is pretty simple. Just it's so curly. So you can just bend it gently and place it. And then keep clicking it along the frame. That it was a lot easier when I sat down to do that part. I'm going to do the same for the top. So I'm just flipping it over.
That's the Velcro side?
Yeah, the end piece, but I'm going to do that at the end. But if it touches, it's okay. I can redo it. A neat concept. And you can just pull it as you like. And then this is going to be the bottom ring. I'm going to do the same thing. Just click it into place on the metal frame. But I like the neutral color. And it can go with any decor. And you could change it up if you really don't like this shade. You can always buy another one from online or in a store, and then just readjust this to the way you like it. Yeah. Just gonna make sure that it's taut. There we go. And I have to unscrew the bottom part. This is gonna hold the shade to it. So one thing my hubby and I found out is that this kind of shifts around. So you want to have maybe even center it or have two people doing it. I'm just going to make a muck of it. And then the part that has the Velcro, I'm going to place it towards the back. One thing that we did like about it that kind of sold us on it is not just the fact that it's very slimlined and neutral, because we have a bit of a black and white modern decor.
And it comes as a 2-pack.
2-pack with the light bulbs, but also, if you can see here,
it has a USB-C and a USB plug-in.
So if you're trying to avoid having
for your phone
extra stuff on your bedside table, that's kind of handy. And we are going to remove that sticker. All it is a turn on and off, but it is a little goopy, but we'll get it off with maybe some olive oil.
And this comes in a variety of finishes. We got the black finish.
That is correct. And then the last thing to do is plug it in, and also don't forget to put your dimmable light bulb in.
That comes with it.
Yeah, so we're just going to turn it on. So you can keep it at its lowest setting, or you can keep turning clockwise to make it brighter. I'm pretty pleased with it for about $50.
$50 each lamp. That's fantastic.
We are going to add a link to the Amazon for anyone who's interested in purchasing one of these or the set. And also don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day.